Can I ask you a question? Yes. Well, Ethan, I heard you like anime as well, and your hobbies are drawing. Yes. I was wondering, what kind of anime genre did you like to watch? I like action and fantasy genre. It's very good and it makes me, my imagination is traveling. Oh yeah, I see. I felt as well. My favorite anime genre is maybe romance, comedy, and also action and thriller because I love horror. Thank you for answering. Yes.
Okay, good.
4th April 2008. I am a second year student in MTsN Model Banda Aceh. I live at Long Raya. I live at Tengku di Long 2 Street, number 61, Long Raya, Banda Aceh.
Good.
My hobby is reading a book and drawing.
Yep.
I like to drawing like character anime, animal, and yeah. Oh.
Tell me about your family. Your father's name, your mother's name.
My father's name is Agam, and my mother's name is Hasnani. Both of them are civil servants.
Good. Where does he work?
They work at office.
Office? What office?
My mother's work at PU.
PU? Yeah, good, good.
And my father's work at BPN.
BPN, yeah, good. Yeah.
I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
Yeah.
My brothers kuliah.
Yeah. College, yeah.
Has college in Jawa.
Yeah, Java.
And my sister college in UIN.
Yeah, UIN.
Dan and baru saja lulus and have a graduation.
Yeah. She just has graduated from UIN. Yep. From UIN. Good. It means the oldest one, ya? Yang tertua. Second. The third. Yeah, the third one. Good. Your favorite food, your favorite drink, maybe your favorite color.
My favorite color is black and blue because it's cool. It's very cool. It's pretty.
What about song? Can you sing a song?
No.
No. Yeah. So do you love the music?
Not yet.
No. Yeah. Yeah. Good.
My favorite food is spaghetti, pizza, like burger, junk. It's good.
Yeah.
I know it's not healthy, but it's so good. Yeah, it is.
The taste is so good. Good.
My favorite drink is maybe milk and
Syrup. ABC syrup. Sour syrup. Combined with the ice.
it's nice. Sweet and nice. I like it.
That's all. Good. Very good. Okay, clap your hand, please. Yeah.
Wise man say, only fools must sin, but I can't help falling in love with Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? Like a river flows surely through the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, but I can't help falling in love with you.